Hi all, this is Ashish Kyal here. Welcome again to Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul. And today we are going to look at Bank Nifty. We are going to discuss some advanced concept, simple advanced concept of technical analysis that can help you to trade the market. We can keep things simple, but if only simple things would have given us whatever we wanted to make out of the market. So I have combined something known as time cycle with Elliott wave theory and with basic open interest profile so that you can understand when you combine these simple techniques together, you can trade the market so extremely well and you know what is happening. You can forecast, you can form your strategies in options, you can trade futures. All of those things are possible अगर आपको पता है कि मार्केट किस तरीके से बिहेव करने वाला है आज या आज से 2 दिन बाद या 10 दिन बाद ये पॉसिबल है करना कैसे कर सकते हैं लेट मी शेयर अक्रॉस माय वेरी क्विकली a chart that showcase on how to forecast the market and how you can do these things by looking at the simple understanding analysis of time cycle with wave theory and open interest. So this is a bank nifty chart that you are seeing on your screen. On this chart, you can clearly see these labels which I am doing is on the basis of wave theory. उसके लिए आपको wave theory पता होना चाहिए, Elliott wave theory जो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. And basis of that wave theory, I assume that after this up move and down move, that market will be behaving in a range. So from here, when Bank Nifty was at 37,000, expectation was that Bank Nifty should go somewhere around this level, which is around 38,000. From there, it should again come down and it should oscillate in a broad range is what we expected market to do. Basis of different methods. क्या method था? What you are seeing it on the chart here is known as an open interest profile. This is the green color, which is call options. The red color is the put option. The green color call options are increasing, which provides support or resistance to price. And same thing, you can accordingly look at the call and the put and find out support resistance basis of open interest. Once this is done, I combine with time cycle. So you look at 117 hours time cycle on Bank Nifty, you will see a low formed here, a low formed here, a low formed here, and similarly a low will be forming in by October 1st week. So we can actually look at the cycle or October 2nd week as per this cycle. So by looking at this timing element, we know when the lows will be formed on Bank Nifty, and accordingly you can form a trade. So this forecast was done, and let us see after that forecast कि यहाँ से 37 से 38 के आसपास जाएगा. Then again it should come back down here. Let us see how that happened on the chart. So let me share the chart here. This is the latest chart that you can see of Bank Nifty. How did prices behave? This is where the forecast was done. Can you see prices went up on the upside where I marked C? Let me go back on the chart and show it to you where I have forecasted that. See here, C. After C should complete, D should come down. After D will complete, E should go up. Now, if you come on this chart, if you see C went up, C complete, D should come down, which happened. After D complete, E should go up, and Bank Nifty came here today after the session. Then Bank Nifty rallied, and it is right now somewhere around this zone. So precisely it moved in the form of a pattern that we were expecting, and that is how Bank Nifty behaved. Now, this forecasting was done purely by understanding the concept of wave theory and time cycle. And I am telling you, if you learn and understand this concept, this is called as advanced concept of technical analysis, but this is the way in which it works in the market. So why not to keep learning from these videos, keep understanding this simple concept and keep building up on it, on timing the market. And if you are able to time the market, you are able to trade excellently well. So this is Ashish Kyal here. Whatever we are doing is purely from educational perspective. We are SEBI registered research analyst and ensure that OCL or wave trading does not bear any liability for the same. So this is a pure disclaimer for you. And these are my coordinates. You can get in touch with us on 99204 22202. I tweet across these things also. So on Twitter @KyalAshish or YouTube channel @KyalAshish. So ensure you are following me everywhere so that you don't miss out on these updates. Telegram is AK Trading Gurukul. Thank you very much. This is Ashish Kyal signing off.